y'all, welcome back to another Tuesday Tips and Tricks. Today we are going to talk about something that is very common. A lot of candle makers will see this, and that is something called jump lines. So let's get right into it. First, what are jump lines? Jump lines are horizontal lines or rings that will appear on your candle once your wax has cooled. You can see in that picture here, it almost looks like little tiger stripes. You see a lot of little air bubbles and wet spots between the glass and the wax. What causes these? This can happen if your container or your mold is too cold before you pour your wax into it, and it can also happen if the wax is poured when it's too cool. So basically what happens is as the wax is being poured into the jar, it will kind of cool and set up as it touches the glass, and that's what gives you these stripes. How do I prevent them? First, we always recommend preheating your containers and molds. That will give you a nice smooth finish like you see in this candle here. We also recommend pouring your wax at the right temperature. All of the waxes that we sell on our website will have a recommended pouring temperature or even a range of temperatures, and even sometimes depending on the climate that you live in, the ambient temperature of the room that you're pouring your candles in, you still need to adjust your pouring temperature and find what works for you. How do I fix them? So in the case that you have jump lines on your candle and you need to fix them, there's a couple of things that you can do. First, you can take a heat gun to the outside of the container and you can just kind of reheat that outer layer of wax until it smooths out. You can also reheat the candles, melt everything back down, and start over. The best way to do this would be to take the jars and put them inside a pot with some boiling water, and you can just reheat the wax until it melts to your pouring temperature, and then just re-pour if you need to. Okay, that is going to be it for today, you guys. We hope that you find this tip useful. Come back next week and we'll show you more.